3A Teague Bay, aka Pelican Point. You pull up in the driveway here, lots of parking. Nice little hedge there, gravel parking area. Space for probably 6, 7 cars easily. Then in we come to the main level where there's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths up here, and then downstairs an additional bedroom suite with a full ensuite bath. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning.
And look at this view. Unbelievable. You're looking from the St. Croix Yacht Club, Romney Point, all at Teague Bay, the longest living coral reef in the Caribbean right out front there. Direct shot of Buck Island. I mean, look at that. That's zoomed in. That's actual. And back to wide angle. And then you're looking down onto the 9-hole golf course of the Reef condos. Huge deck area here. Nice solid railing. This deck was all rebuilt just a few years ago. I mean, you could easily have 40, 50 people partying up here with no problem whatsoever. The deck wraps around to this side as well, which is over by the driveway you come in. Just a nice, spacious, comfortable house. Twin gazebos. I'm standing under the one on the west side, and then Steph and John are over there on the east side, so you could have 2 separate little sitting areas. Maybe set one up as a lounge, the other one as an outdoor dining area. Nice pastoral views looking south. Awesome. Then you come into the living room here off of this gazebo. You got another side door there, which offers awesome airflow throughout the villa. Travertine tiles that are all perfectly smooth, polished. You've got a dining nook here. If it's inclement weather, a little windy maybe, you can set up shop right here. Nice little vaulted ceilings. And then you've got your island with seating for 3 there. But I think most of the time you're going to be doing your dining outdoors. Nice design here with a solid pane above, but then you have airflow capability control here because the wind does come from the east about 95% of the time. So you can open that up to get that cross breeze or close it if it's too windy. Beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, pretty new Maytag gas stove, double sink. Easily a 3 to 4 person kitchen. Prep your food, eat it here, or easily pass it out to your guests out on the deck there. And then back this way are the 2 bedrooms and 2 baths on this level. First you got your guest bath here, all nicely done, skylight, beautiful glass block and tile. That doubles obviously as your guest bath. And then the guest bedroom on this level is here. Very big, lots of storage, air conditioning. This is looking back out to the parking area. Extra storage up above the regular closets. And then into the primary bedroom, which has a king-size sleigh bed, air conditioning. Lots of glass and open space, lots of light and air. Great space for a TV if you're a bedtime TV person. That would be, you could put a massive one there. Got a cistern cover over here, and then into the ensuite bath attached. Very nice. So that's the upper level. Now we'll head down to the downstairs. 3rd bedroom and bath with a playroom. Also has the same awesome view as this level does, but it's separate. So if you have some different, it's 2 couples, 1 couple could be downstairs for additional privacy. But we'll head down there now, around by the pool, and check that out. Okay, we came in this gate from the parking area and we headed straight down to the main level. But if you took a right, you could come down the steps here onto the pool patio level where you've got an awesome pool. I mean, look at that. You could totally do laps in that pool. Nice shaded area under these silver palms, I think they call them. I forget the name of them. You got your grill here, No lifeguard on duty. And then look at the view from this pool patio. Incredible. Now, something to note before we head into that third guest bedroom is this house has a deal with an internet company that provides free internet, a free generator, fuel, and maintenance of that generator. So that's a big expense taken out of the equation. No power outages. I mean, you're going to have a brief power outage until the generator kicks on, but you don't have to deal with it. You don't have to maintain it. You don't have to fuel it. You don't have to service it. And you get free internet. And I'll show you where the little transmission tower is located way off to the side, which beams internet down into the valley to the condos and houses down below. But I mean, again, look at the view from this pool. It's crazy. Do a 360 here. Looking at the castle up there. Contessa Nadia Farber, God bless her soul, has moved on, and now someone else has taken over. And here we are looking up at the main level, Steph and John at the East Cabana. And now we're going to shoot our way towards the bedroom. While we're heading there, let me just peek in here real quick. I'll show you the sort of guts of the operation. Here's your water heater, brand new, lots of storage. And then motion detector light switch turns on your light for the laundry room, automatic transfer switch, whole house surge protector, Sanitron ultraviolet water treatment along with twin filters, and a relatively new pool pump. So all your mechanicals are up to speed. And now we're coming around sort of this shady covered area underneath the deck and into the lower bedroom and bath, where we'll find the famous photographer Blake. How you doing, Blake?
Good. Just gonna play a game of skee ball.
Yeah, what is this called?
Skee ball? Right?
Skee ball, I don't know.
I forget.
Let me see.
Game you play in your 20s in bars.
Oh yeah, I think I'd be bad at it. Ah, gutter ball. I quit.
Shuffleboard.
Shuffleboard. So here's the lower bedroom. So this would be the third bedroom. AC. Nice little window looking out to the pool. And then they got a queen size wicker bed in here. Big living room. In fact, at one time this had been cordoned off and made into a second bedroom down here. So if you wanted to enclose this to make a fourth bedroom, you could do that. There's the beginnings of a kitchen. You've got your sink. All you got to do is put your fridge and a stove, and this could be a separate apartment in that it is completely separate from the main house, and it does have separate parking. I'm going to show you in just a second. This could be a separate individual rental. Here's your bath, rain shower, nice travertine tile job. And then you have a separate door to the parking area over there. So if you were to rent this out as, say, a separate one-bedroom apartment long-term, or a caretaker, maybe mother-in-law suite where you want to, give her a full kitchen, microwave, stove, fridge, etc. This is your lower parking area here. So as you come up from the gated entrance, down below there, you go up to the right to the upper level, and then you can come down here and park 3-4 cars easily down here at the lower level. So it's currently configured as a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with one of the bedrooms separate, obviously, but that could be a full apartment. And then here is the tower on the property, which sends the internet signal to all of the Reef condos and all of the homes up on the hills above. All in all, you're not going to find a better view. Solid house, went through Cat 5 Maria structurally, had some issues with the deck, which was completely rebuilt, but the main house itself, not a scratch. And you even got a frangipani over here with some worms guggling up on it. Let's see if we can find one. Oh, here they are. Check that out. If you see those, some people freak out and kill them, but it's actually part of the life cycle of the tree. Let them eat it. They'll grow back healthier and better than ever. 3 Teague Bay, sitting on a ½ acre. If you want to check it out, give us a call. In the meantime, we're waiting for you to ring us up. Have a good day, and I hope you enjoy your beautiful afternoon.